Hi there, so the Osmo Pocket 3 is a super fun camera to use, but unfortunately it's quite easy to make boring looking videos with it. It's so quick and easy to just pick it up and get started filmmaking that it's really easy to make films or videos that just consist of one long boring shot or multiple shots that all kind of look the same. Just keeping my eye out for snakes here. So not only do you miss out on even more fun filming with the Osmo Pocket 3, you also run the risk of making videos that are actually uninteresting to watch, so people won't even watch them. And that's what I'm going to show you how to fix in this video. What we're talking about here is thinking more in terms of filming a scene or a sequence and being essentially more intentional with what you're filming with your Osmo Pocket 3. I call this the 3-2-1 filming method. The 3 stands for the 3 basic shot sizes that you should always capture. The 2 stands for the 2 changes you should make between each shot. And the 1 is the extra or the bonus shot type that you should always remember to capture that's going to make your life easier. Try not to fall in the ocean. The first of the 3 shot sizes is the wide shot or the establishing shot. This is where you want to set the scene for the scene or the sequence that you're filming and really give the viewer an idea of where you are and potentially what's going to happen. So in this scene I'm going to be filming on this beach, just going to turn you around. And so for the wide shot or the establishing shot for this scene or this sequence, we're just going to do a slow pan across this beach. Just remember that in the wide shot or the establishing shot, you don't have to show everything as wide as possible, but you want to show it wide enough to show anything that's important to the scene or the sequence that you're going to be filming. The second shot of the 3 shots that you should always capture is the medium shot. So as its name suggests, this is kind of like a medium view. You're going to mostly see most of the body of the person that you're filming, or yourself if that's what you're filming, and it's kind of halfway between the extra wide shot that we just captured and the next shot I'm going to show you. The third shot size that you should always try and capture is the close-up shot, so something like this where my face is mostly filling the frame and you can't really see much about what's going in the background, but you can kind of roughly guess that we're in the same location. In proper filmmaking terms, there's loads of different shot sizes, but I'm just keeping it simple for this video. Part 2 of the 3-2-1 method is all about what you need to change between each subsequent shot that you're intending to edit together. So the first thing you need to change between each shot is the shot size, so wide, medium or close-up. And the second thing you need to change between each shot that you're going to edit together is the shot angle. So why is this a good idea? Well, because when you edit those shots together, it's going to seem more interesting to watch, and it's also going to seem more intentional, and in some ways it's actually going to seem smoother than just having one continuous shot or putting jump cuts between each edit point. While I've got you on the tripod, let me give you a quick example of this. So say the first shot you want to have maybe a close-up like this, and then you're going to switch to another shot. So we can just change the shot size because we don't have a zoom lens on the Pocket 3. We can change the shot size by just moving about the frame. So now we've gone from that close-up to more of a medium shot. But if I just edit those 2 things together so you can see the difference or the jump or the jar, and now I'm going to edit those same 2 things together again, and I'm also going to change the camera angle. I'm going to try and move it at least 45 degrees, and you can kind of see because we've changed both the shot size and the camera angle, we get a more pleasing, a more interesting and a less jarring cut in the edit. The 1 in the 3-2-1 method is the extra shot that you should always try and capture because it's going to make your editing life so much easier, and that's the cutaway shot. A cutaway shot is something that you can film that's kind of related to what's going on but not too tightly related, that you can insert anywhere in your edit. Alright, let's go and put together a quick sequence utilising all of those 3-2-1 rules so you can see it in action. Red ones and blue skies. What did we know? We were so very young. You definitely want to check out this video next if you want to get the most out of your Osmo Pocket 3. I'm Jason Roberts. Please subscribe, and I think it's time for me to go for a dip.